Using Summon to access library resources. A Drexel University Libraries tutorial. Summon is a search tool that allows Drexel students, faculty, and staff to find library materials. With Summon, you can search for the library's catalog of books and journal publications. You can also search for journal articles, conference proceedings, dissertations, and more. You can use Summon to find the full text of an electronic resource or the location of a book on the shelf at the library.
To begin a search using Summon, click on the Articles and More tab on the Drexel Libraries homepage. Type your search terms and click Search Library. As you can see, this search for robotics returns over 300,000 results. You'll notice that at the top of the list of search results are recommendations for more specific databases to search. These will be useful to keep in mind if you're doing a more thorough, specific search later. The search results page allows you to filter your results in a number of ways. First, I'll limit my results by content type to ebooks. You can now choose any of these resources and know you'll be able to access the books from outside the library. If you're searching for journal articles, most of the time you'll want to make sure that you're only searching for peer-reviewed material. I'll choose Limit to articles from scholarly publications, including peer review. You'll notice that now the only types of content available are journal articles and conference proceedings. If you're in a particular hurry and only want articles that you will be able to view online right away, you can check the box labeled Items with Full Text Online. It can also be useful to limit your results in other ways. You might, for example, only want materials published in the last 5 years to make sure you're viewing only the most up-to-date research. I'll slide the publication date bar to 2006 and click Update. So now only articles from the last 5 years show up. If you only want to view articles in a particular language, you can check off those boxes as well. I'll limit my results to materials in English. Another way to narrow your search is to refine your results using subject terms. I'll click on More Options under Subject Terms to get a full list. With this list, you can either include or exclude any of the subjects. I'm going to include robotics and mechanical engineering and exclude surgery. Once you've finished refining your search, you can go through the results to see what interests you. Mousing over the title of an item will give you a preview of its full citation. Clicking on the title will take you to a page that displays the library's holdings for the item. In this case, the article is available online. You can also search the library's catalog for print holdings if there is no full text online. There are a number of ways to collect your search results for your research. First, you can create an RSS feed for your search by clicking on the RSS icon at the top of the search results page. You can then subscribe to the feed using your preferred feed reader. You can also collect individual items to save for later by clicking on the Save icon next to each citation. This saves items in a temporary folder. Once you've collected all the items you need, you can click on the Saved Items link, which lists all of your saved citations. From here, you can email the results to yourself, print the citations, or export the citations to a reference management program, such as RefWorks or EndNote. If you are printing or emailing yourself your references, make sure to choose the citation style appropriate for your subject.
That concludes this tutorial on Summon. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at the library.